Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today on Counterculture Cooks, we're going to be making my parents' recipe for carne asada and chorizo. So right here we have to cut up the carne because we need more room to put it in the bowl and marinate it. You know, just gotta chop it up. Didn't have the best of knives. Gotta put some nice beer in it. You know, I prefer Corona, using what my mom uses. Now you're just gonna take a strip, use some Mexican seasoning. It's literally what it's called. Just rub it on there real nice and smooth. Now get the other side, you know, nice and even like. Oh yeah, just like that. Now make sure it's everywhere. Finishing it up, you know, it takes quite a while doing it. Now I just gotta cut it up into smaller pieces because we don't got a big grill to cut it up on while it's cooking. I'm not gonna show you the whole process. Now just some cilantro. Cut it up, use as much as you like. I like a lot of cilantro. Cut it up to as fine as you like. Dice up as much onion as you want. Now you're just gonna throw the carne on, let it cook for a little while, use some kind of oil so it doesn't stick. Stir it up, you know, speed up the process. Now you're gonna throw in that long sausage of chorizo. Oh yeah, look at that splat. Look at the juice is coming out already. You don't need to season it with anything. It's already salty enough and tasty enough on its own. Make sure the carne doesn't burn. You know, stir it up. Keep mashing up the chorizo. Make sure it doesn't stick. Carne is almost done. Cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Your preference. Chorizo has to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes since it is pork. Cook it on like medium heat. Now, just, you know, add the toppings of your liking. Some cilantro, you know. You gotta add some onion too. You know, you gotta have onion for this. You know, some Mexican tacos. Oh yeah, getting hungry looking at that shit. You know, some sour cream. I like sour cream on my tacos. Not a lot of sour cream on stuff, but sour cream. Some guac. Some guac is fire. Some salsa, you know. Didn't have time to make salsa or guac, so store bought. You know, still pretty dank,